Minute Make time!
Great! It's Minute Make time. Here's what we're going to make today. A pipe cleaner mouse. Say cheese, Mr. Mouse. That's how mice say cheese. Honest. And to make a pipe cleaner mouse, you will need a pair of scissors, a pencil, a pink pipe cleaner, 3 white pipe cleaners, and some glue. Oh, we'll also need some googly eyes, and you can get those from an art and craft shop. Wait right there. I've got them. Yes, here are my googly eyes. Now, do you think it's possible to make this in just 1 minute?
You're having a laugh!
Really, Tocky? Well, I think I can do it. I'll have to be very quick, but don't worry, I'll remind you how to do it at the end.
Start the clock!
Here we go. Let's get the pink pipe cleaner and very carefully snip it in half like that. And then we're going to bend this half up like that to make a nose. Now we need a white pipe cleaner and we're going to wrap it around the pencil like this. There we go. If you slide it off, this is going to be the body of our mouse. There we go. That goes up to the nose. Then with this other pink piece here, we're going to fold it into ear shapes. There we go. There's one ear and there's the other ear. And we can pop that up and squeeze it into position. There we go. Our mouse has got 2 ears. Now we need to get these other 2 white pipe cleaners and wrap them round the pencil.
Faster!
There's one.
Faster!
And there's the other one. Wrap it round. This is the rest of the mouse's body. And then slide that off and slide it onto our mouse like that. Curl the tail up. And then we need to stick on 2 eyes. One bit of glue there, one bit of glue there. There's one eye. And there is the other eye. I've done it!
Only just!
That was close. And I made a little mouse in a minute. And if you've got more than a minute, you can make all sorts of pipe cleaner animals. Try making a pipe cleaner lion. This one's got long legs and loops for feet. Or how about this stripy caterpillar? It's got lots of small pipe cleaners for legs. A pipe cleaner creature made in a minute. Why don't you try it? Here's a reminder of how to do it.
Let's go back to the beginning and take another look. Take a pink pipe cleaner and bend the end to make a mouse nose. Twist the white pipe cleaner around a pencil. This makes the mouse's head. Slide it onto the pink pipe cleaner all the way up to the nose. Twist another pink pipe cleaner into the shape of 2 ears and attach them to the head. Twist and attach 2 more white pipe cleaners to make the mouse's body. And finally add 2 googly eyes to complete your pipe cleaner mouse.
Why don't you try making it in a minute?